Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 transporter panel van. This van comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission and comes with the 4Motion 4-wheel drive technology. This example is finished in the solid paint colour Ascot grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The van also features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps. Down below, the van sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, this transporter comes with a tailgate without a window. Across the tailgate there is some transporter and 4Motion badging, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Behind the tailgate and in the load area itself, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There are also two lights in the roof providing illumination to what's in the back of the load area. Access into the load area can also be found on either side of this vehicle, which adds more options when loading and unloading the vehicle. Steps on either side and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab itself, the driver's seat comes with two armrests, and next to this there is a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. All the seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and there's plenty of leg space for the front passengers as well as the driver. In forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Just beneath the touchscreen there are the climate controls. The van features two front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Down and to the left there is a 12V and two USB-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.